I'm gonna show you how to clean up some old, dirty, nasty leather. This is a 2001 F350. As you can see, you got stains all over, who knows what, sweat stains, who knows what's going on back here. So I'm gonna show you how to clean this up really quick. All you're gonna need to do this super quick is a microfiber towel. I use a horsehair brush. You can just get this from AutoZone or any of your local auto parts stores. And then any kind of leather cleaner or spray. I use this Chemical Guys stuff. Seems to work pretty good, but let's get into it. Okay, so I got this taped off just so you can kind of see a before and after. Hopefully we can get some of these tougher stains out, but I think it'll do a good job. Okay, first step, you're gonna wanna spray your brush with some of your leather cleaner. Now you're gonna wanna get brushing, and you can see how quick this stuff comes up. Takes a little bit of elbow grease, but after a couple scrubs, a couple passes over it, you can see that it cleans it right up. Okay, once you got this all scrubbed off, put some good elbow grease in there, take your microfiber and just wipe it off. Good as new. Just looks clean. You can see how good this worked. I mean, it maybe took 30, 45 seconds of scrub time, and these seats are 23 years old. I don't think they've ever been cleaned, and I mean, they look brand new. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. I mean, I've had super good luck with it. All you need is 3 things. It really does not take that long, and my seats are looking brand new again. I mean, 23-year-old truck, it's a Ford F350. Seats are looking awesome. So, see you on the next one.